Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video, and in this video, as you can see from the title, I will be doing a first impression and demo on the new Makeup Revolution matte bronzer in their glow collection. Kind of confusing, but that's what it is. So if you're interested in knowing the shades and my thoughts and like to see how I use them, just continue watching. Hey guys, I hope you're excited for this video because I am beyond excited. Like, I love bronzing. I love bronzing products. I love a bronzed look. So I'm not even going to like chit chat. Let's just jump right into it. I figured I'd give you guys a little like clips of me doing my face and telling you what products I'm using, and then we can just jump straight into the bronzers. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'll be taking my Fenty Beauty ProFiltr primer, and then I'll be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC. So I'm going to go in with the Pretty Fresh concealer and the Juvia's Place concealer. So right around now is when I would bronze. I'm looking a little bit scary right now, so I'm going to skip that step. I'm going to take my brows, my eyes, and leave the bronzing for last. So don't mind how crazy I look right now, okay? So wait, you trust me, we'll get there eventually. So guys, I kind of finished my brow and stuff. For my eyes, I'm going to use the Tarte, I don't know which one of the palettes this is, but this palette here. I'm just going to do a simple eye. As I said, the focus isn't on anything except the bronzers. So just going to do a simple eye, simple and quick eye. I finished my foundation, highlight, brows and eyes, and it's time to bronze. I mean, this is why we're here, so don't mind how crazy I look. As I said, this is what we're here for, the bronzing. So I haven't bronzed as yet. Okay, so the two shades I got were dark and deep dark. Okay, deep dark is the darkest shade they have in this collection. So this is the Revolution Glow Splendour Ultra Matte Bronzer Glow. I think Glow is the, what would you say, like the collection is Glow. So I'm going to open. These are huge, by the way. They're big, like big boxes. That's the first thing I noticed. The size is that it's huge. It's 0.54 ounces, which is 15.5 grams. So it comes in the carton, the box, regular thing, and this is how it looks. Very pretty packaging. This is the shade dark, and this is what it looks like. Comes with a mirror and the product. So that was dark. Now let's look at deep dark. So there is one between these two. So dark, I think you have dark, deep, and then deep dark. So same packaging. Let me just open it. And this is deep dark. Are you seeing how dark that is? It is gorgeous. So I'm going to put them side by side so you can see the shade comparison. Dark, deep dark. This is my Mikasa F111 fluffy brush. And alright, let me just go in. Let me do a swatch first. So this is dark. That's dark. And this is deep dark. So I'm going to go in with dark first. I just lost the brush. Okay, so I'm going to go in with dark, and I'm seeing a little bit of kickback. I don't care about stuff like that. I mean, it's powder, that's what I expect from powder, and I don't want to go in with too much because I don't know how pigmented it is. So I'm just going to go in with, oh, another thing I should note, I did not cream contour. I usually cream contour and then do my powder bronzing, but I just wanted to see how well these perform, like the products perform, so I know if I should do a cream contour and the powder to get a snatched look, or if these can perform well by themselves. So as I said, I'm going in with the shade dark. I know for a fact that you guys are seeing this on camera. Like, hello? Like, alright, so this is like a reddish, as I say, it's a bronzer. So a bronzer have more red in it than a contour. A contour is more cool tone, which is why I got the deep dark. So the bronze, this is a beautiful bronze. Like, let's do a comparison. So this is my side without bronzer, and this is the side with the bronzer. So this is JHEN, and this is, I don't know what's on this side, but oh my gosh, this bronzer is so nice. Alright. I don't want to get, and I like to, when I bronze, I like to push it into my hairline. I don't want to see any gaps between my hair, my scalp, and my skin. This bronze is gorgeous. This bronze is gorgeous. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit on my jawline. Alright, this is so pretty. So I wouldn't use this product to bronze my nose, it's a little bit too red. That's just personal preference. So this is a great bronzer for deep skin, like deeper skin tones. So to contour now, I'm blending it with the shade Deep Dark, and I'm just using a little bit because this product is really dark and pigmented. So I'm going to contour like right here. I'm using a different brush, like this is the shape of the brush that I'm using, so I can hit right where I need to hit. Alright, oh, okay. I see you, Makeup Revolution. I see you. I need a little blush, so I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette. So guys, that was my first impressions and demo on the Makeup Revolution Glow Matte bronzers. As I said, I got the shades Dark and Deep Dark. I got Dark to bronze and Deep Dark to give me that nice contour. So I would highly recommend these products. The price point is pretty good. I think it was, I think it was $18. $18. I'll put the price right here, but it's very affordable. You get a lot of product in the compact, and it's travel friendly. The package won't break, and the product is actually really nice, as you guys saw in the demo portion of the video. So I think I've found my new bronzing products. Before I was using the Black Radiance contour palette. It's good, it's nice, but I'm glad I have options right now. In another video, what I'll do is cream contour and use the bronzer to see how it works, because if I cream contour I might not need the deep dark shade. But if you guys are interested in that video, you can let me know in the comment section below. I really, as I said, I really do recommend it. It is worth it, and it was worth the wait because it shipped from England. So you know, I had a little wait to get it here to Jamaica, but it was definitely worth it. As I said, for professional artists, I think these can be depotted. So you can depot them and put them in like a palette, or if you're just buying them for personal use, it's really compact, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's perfectly fine. The shade is beautiful, and I will leave some foundation reference in the description box below so you guys can make like comparisons to see if this dark shade is actually ideal for you, or if you need to go a little bit lighter or darker. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed as yet. Hit the like button and leave a comment down below letting me know if you'd like to see a different video with the cream contour and the bronzer, like using the bronzer as well. So I'll see you guys